Naidu. Your nationalist heroes even made us your state free. But what state do we stand for if it's not reciprocal? Stand for us, and now that would be a grand gesture. More so because we think we are utterly unique as a group. So be good fellas, think plural, think larger. No other road in the nation has this many banyan trees. As our old line state highway to Chevella. Don't make us history, and that would be foolish. Think forward and not backward. Let us be your future. Do it for your children and your children's children. And think big. Let them know you cared a whole faith. For once, make the right call. Don't be cruel. Don't cut us to hardwood. Will we not bleed just as you would bleed? Name us Heritage Banyan and let our xylem stand.